Not sure if you can see that lovely colours in the sky there. Just pull the GoPro up a little bit. Yeah, I think it's showing the indigo blue right at the bottom, and then the orange as the sun's pounding. Like a violet, indigo, whatever that is. I'm not the colour guy. Oh. Blah blah. Indigo blue, then that nice, beautiful. That needs 256 million colours, man, or more, to render that beautifully. And then, of course, into the lighter blues as we go up. Look at that. A plain peepee of a hill on the right. Jesus. Oh. Ja, hier gaan ons. Die platteland. The mountain on the right and the far to that ridge. So I guess a billion years ago the sea was here. So when we were driving down on the right, you saw those for a long way. Even Kirtis, there was that whole plateau, which I guess meant this was covered in water. Someone can write a comment. This would have been covered in water 100 million years ago. And that plateau there, I guess, was the shoreline or something. And this was seabed, got eroded. Auntie Click's house, and that maybe was an island. Might have to start a separate section called Motorcycle Musings. Some people might get bored with the stuff, but there could be all the business related musings and life related musings. Sun's peeking up behind. Oh, let me turn this. Easy to turn it this way. Hello. Bloody clever, isn't that? Carl, can Itchy Boots do this? I know she can talk to you while she's going. But I know she's got a little swivel mechanism built in. Good morning, Namibia. Woohoo! Can I just say this? There's something adult coming up. Fuck, I love this. Fucking fuck. So slight bit of personal psychology and philosophy is freedom. I think I said it before when I did that functional values thing, freedom of lifestyle. And you know, I'm building my entire business. I'm saying the emotional word is freedom. You know, the emotion that I'm wanting people to feel when they touch the brand and engage with the brand is freedom, you know. You know, so yes, for me personally now that means being on the road at something to 7 as the sun's rising on my Caribou KLR. You know, this for me, I guess, is equating to freedom. Freedom. You know, so the business values, go and look on the website under the North Star, Truth, Love and Beauty. You know, and that originally comes from the Moulin Rouge movie, which kind of really had an impact on me. I think it came out Nicole Kidman and Ewan McGregor in 2000. Sobbed my heart out when I first saw it, and for a good number of times when I re-saw it. And they were going on about the bohemian values in that Moulin Rouge, in that area of Paris in the turn of the century, but of course 1800 into 1900. That whole, oh, my helmet's getting in the way of the sun, sorry. Get out of the way of the sun. Sorry, man. I know you guys have been yelling at me for minutes saying, get your fucking head out of the way. I didn't quite hear you until I saw my shadow on the camera. Anyway, so the movie Moulin Rouge talks about the values of, well, you guessed it, truth, love, beauty, but they add freedom. Truth, love, beauty and freedom as the sort of founding values of this whole movement. And for the, yeah, so it's crept back into the business in a way, but for me, I kind of always felt, well, you didn't need freedom, because if you've got truth and love and beauty, you're free. You know, those three are the essential ones. If you have a values of truth and love and beauty, well, freedom's just a passenger then. It just comes along for the ride. Anyway, but as any brand emotion, I don't know what the word is, marketing term, but what is the brand emotion? It's freedom. People will feel freedom from fear, anxiety, overwhelm, and a freedom to pursue new stuff in their business. Okay. It's getting quite bright. Let's turn around. Just passing the house 80 click mark. See you later.